In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively integrate Reclaim.ai with Notion to boost your time management and productivity. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you can easily set up and start using this powerful combination. Let's dive in and get you started. First, you'll want to sign up for Reclaim.ai. If you're new to this platform, you can easily create an account by visiting their website. Reclaim.ai is a fantastic tool designed to help you reclaim your calendar and manage your time more efficiently. Once you've signed up, the next crucial step is connecting your calendar. Depending on your preference, you can choose between Google Calendar or Outlook. This connection is essential because it allows Reclaim.ai to seamlessly integrate and automate your scheduling tasks. The powerful integration we'll be setting up today involves using Zapier or Make.com to connect Reclaim.ai with Notion. Both Zapier and Make.com are incredible tools for automation, enabling you to link various apps and services effortlessly. If you don't already have an account with Zapier or Make.com, now would be a good time to set that up. With your accounts ready, go ahead and authenticate each one. You'll need to verify permissions as you're bridging these services, which ensures security and proper data handling. Once you've authenticated all accounts, it's time to set up the triggers. These triggers will be the actions that signal Reclaim.ai to create tasks or time blocks based on your Notion entries. Essentially, you're instructing Notion to tell Reclaim.ai, hey, this task needs scheduling. This can be particularly useful if you're someone who manages projects or to-dos in Notion and wants them automatically reflected in your calendar. Mapping Notion tasks to Reclaim.ai time blocks is the magic step where automation kicks into high gear. You'll essentially be creating rules for how tasks from Notion appear in your Reclaim.ai schedule. This is where you harness the full power of automation, allowing you to focus more on your tasks rather than managing them. Finally, it's testing time. Run through the integration to ensure every part is functioning as expected. It might take a bit of tweaking and adjustment to perfect your settings and ensure optimal time management. This is your chance to see how the automation behaves in real time and make any necessary changes. Feel free to experiment with different triggers, mappings, and configurations until you find what works best for your workflow. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on integrating Reclaim.ai with Notion using the power of automation. You'll now have a robust system that not only helps manage your time better, but also makes task oversight much more seamless. Whether for work, personal use, or anything in between, this integration should open the door to improved productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.